Alright then gang, so now we can successfully add new blogs by submitting this form. But once we've added the blog, it stays on this page, and what I'd like to do instead is redirect the user back to the home page once it's complete instead. So in order to do that, we can use another hook in React called useHistory, and what this allows us to do is go back and forward through the history, much like these arrows, and also add a new page onto the history. In other words, redirect them to a new route. So let's see how we can do this. First of all, inside the create components, I want to import useHistory. So let's do that at the top. So we say import useHistory, and that is going to be from React-router DOM. Alright, so this is from the React router package. Next, we need to invoke this hook, so we can say const, and then I'm going to call this constant history. You don't have to, you can call it what you want, and I'm going to set that equal to use history like so. So that's all we do. And now we have this object which represents history, and on that object are several methods we can use to either go back through history, go forward through history, so that's like clicking the back and forward arrows right here, but also redirect the user. So first of all, what I'll do is maybe show you how to go back through history. So I'll say history, and then we use a method called go. Now I can pass in a minus number here if I want to go back several steps through history. For example, -1, and that would mean I go back 1 through history. Now I actually want to place this inside this then block right here. So after we've added the block, I then want to go back 1. So for example, if I go home, then I go to a details page like opening party, then I go to new blog. Now, if I was to add this and submit it, once the blog's been added, it should go back 1, which was to that blog details page. So let me just add in a load of tripe and then click add blog. Once it's done, it takes us back to this page, opening party. Awesome. So that works. That's how we go back through history. If we wanted to go forward, we just change this into a positive integer instead. Now, we don't want to do that. It makes no sense in our case. Instead, what we want to do is redirect the user back to the home page. Now, the way we do that is by taking the history object and using a push method instead. And then all we need to do is place the route inside here. For example, if we wanted to go to /create, we'd say to /create, but that's this component, so it makes no sense. Instead, I want to go to just /, which is the route for the home page, which we can see right here. So that's all I want to do. The user submits the form, the blog is added. Once it's added, we then push them to the home page. So let's give this a whirl. I'm going to add in a new hello ninjas again blog, and I'm going to paste in a load of lorem ipsum. Let me just copy that right here and then choose the author to be Mario, add the blog, and then hopefully this is going to redirect us. Fingers crossed. Yep, all works, and we can see all of those blogs down here. Awesome. Next up, I want to show you how we can delete blogs as well.